Anthony's cooking show. I hope you are hungry because we are going to make some delicious food. Today we are going to make ham sandwiches. It's so easy. First, you need to get some bread and ham. After that, you should put cheese and ham on one sandwich. Finally, put another slice of bread on top. That's it! We are finished and ready to eat. Wow! Isn't it so yummy? Thank you for joining me today. This has been Anthony's Cooking Show. See you next